Hello, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment week 33. We need a leaf or leaves, and as you can see I have a whole bunch of leaves here that I laminated last year, or last fall, and I have to say, well, that was last year, right? They are just as beautiful today as the day I put them in there. Maybe this one not so much, but graph paper, something made from wood, is this vintage wooden hobby horse, something that makes me happy, and an animal with fur, and cats make me happy, and that is also an animal with fur, and a cat with blue eyes especially makes me happy. And I am going to not do the bonus, the receipt. I'm not going to put that on there. So the first thing that I'm going to do now is put my background of graph paper on. And I hope you are all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe and have enough food to eat and a place to live. I'm filming this the same day I filmed last week, so I think we're heading out of our thunderstorm now, but you might hear some thunder. Let's get this down. Almost the right same size as the page, but not quite. We're not going to worry about that. That's going there. These I'm going to put on with double-sided tape, because I think that will work good, better. And this was from like a little golden book Christmas book, and this is the old one, and so I'm pretty sure, oh, I was gonna cut that out and I forgot. Oh well, we're not cutting it out now. Alright, that's going down there. Yeah, I was gonna take my craft knife and go in there and cut that out, but I forgot, so we're not doing that. And now, yeah, so that would be wooden if it was from the 40s or 50s. I had one when I was little, and it was partially wood, not totally wood. And that would have been in the 50s, mid 50s. My sister had it before me. She was born in 54. So my cute little cat that I love, that makes me happy, and has fur, is going up there. And now the double-sided tape. Let's see if this will work. I've never used like a tape runner on these before. Ooh. I don't know if it's working. Is it? I think so. Seems sticky. So maybe up here. I'm going to put this one right here. Oops. And this one I'll put right up here. I think that's it. I think that's all I need. I could put another leaf on there. I have a little tiny one, I do believe. But I think we're going to leave this. So we got our leaf or leaves, something made from wood, graph paper, the animal with fur makes me happy. So that's everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate your support, and we'll see you again next time.